Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a solid line border to the image in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu. Then click drawing and click new. Then go to the picture insert menu, then click browser. Now I am select a picture and then press OK. Wait a moment, picture are uploaded. We can see our picture are uploaded. Then resize the picture. Then the click shape menu, then a rectangle, insert a rectangle, then go to the action menu and click order, then press send to back. Now we can see our change the border color. Then click border color option and select a border color. Then go to the border weight. Now I am select 8px. Then change fill color. Go to the fill color and click transparent. Here you can see add a solid line border to the image very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.